Hi, M5587. Please introduce yourself.
My name is Marilu Estrada. I'm 29 years old. I have I'm married and have 3 kids. I'm the eldest is 9, the second is 5 years old, and my youngest is 3 years old.
Your religion,
I I am Catholic.
and your highest educational attainment.
Um, undergrad, college undergrad as associate hotel and restaurant service.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I'm taking care of the 2 children, the 5 years old and 2 years old, and I'm taking good care at the eldest. She is 63 years old,
And your other household chores that you do?
cleaning the house, washing the dishes, and
Washing the dishes.
yes,
Okay, since I saw that you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn baby, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn?
yes.
Okay, if you have an idea, how do you prepare a milk for a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hands and wash the bottles and uh,
Eh,
sterilize it and uh, put a exact amount of milk and shake it very well. And I will test it in my hands if it's okay for the baby, the
Okay,
temperature.
okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I will I will get the baby and I will get the temperature if he's okay, and the diaper I will check the diaper.
And change the diaper.
Yes, if it's
Okay,
okay.
and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after you check the diaper and also the temperature of the baby, everything that you have done to the baby to make her stop to cry doesn't work, what will you do?
I will call my employee, and the parents,
Okay, why do you want to call the
and I
employee?
will tell them what should I do.
Okay, you will ask them what should you do to the baby to make it stop to cry. Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I like to work in Hong Kong for to help my family, and especially my children.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and more.
So it is okay to you to extend your contract if your employer wants you to extend.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will you do if there is someone outside the house of your employer telling that they were a visitors or they were fixing something inside the house and they want to go inside? What will you do?
I will call first my employer if they expecting someone or if they are truly family.
Okay, and if the employer doesn't know the person outside of the house, what will you do?
I will not do enter them.
So you will not entertain them.
Yes.
Okay, because it's too dangerous, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, sir, but I will research it in YouTube, or maybe I will ask my friends, or I will buy cookbook.
Okay, you will buy cookbooks to learn how to cook Chinese food, right?
Yes.
And also, if your employer have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also help them how do they prepare so that you could
Yes.
learn, right? Okay, if your employer provide foods for you, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is okay to you to cut your hair into short because I saw that you have a long hair.
Yes, sir.
How about sharing jobs with other helper?
Yes, sir.
Sharing room with kids.
Yes, sir.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes,
How,
sir.
how about taking care of elderly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, sir. I will learn.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, uh, please hire me, and I promise I will take good care of your family, your house, and you can trust me though.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Marilu.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.